Who's Taco Bell when you can make a Crunchwrap Supreme from scratch at home? Let's do it. We're gonna start off with the spiced meat by heating up some oil in a large pan. Once it's hot, add the Impossible meat in there and break it up. While that's cooking, it's time to season. I have some paprika, some cumin, chili powder, and some garlic powder right in there. And mix that up to make your spiced meat crumble. Oh, I wish you could smell this. All right, so our meat is ready. As you can see, now it's time for the cheese sauce. I have some Velveeta here, which is essentially like a huge chunk of American cheese. Perfect for cheese sauce. Start off in the sauce pot with some heavy cream, heat it on a low flame. Now just cube up your Velveeta just like that into little pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier it'll be to melt. Now, the great thing about making your own cheese sauce is you can even choose how spicy you want it to be. So I'm definitely gonna add some little bit of chili powder in there. It's gonna add a little heat to our delicious cheese. And your Velveeta goes in. And of course, a little sprinkle of chili powder for heat. And after some more mixing and heating, a beautiful cheese sauce. It doesn't get better than that. I have some little tortilla rounds over here. I'm just going to fry up in my oil to get nice and crispy to make the tostada that's on the inside of the Crunchwrap. And after about a minute, it is nice and golden brown. Drain off the excess oil, and now just keep on frying up the rest until they're golden brown as well. Take your romaine lettuce, cut right down. Look at that beautiful interior, just like that. Last ingredient we need to prep are the tomatoes. Just cut them in thin slices like this, give that a turn, and then finally a dice just like that. Grab a burrito tortilla, place your meat on the bottom as layer one. Then comes your cheese sauce over top. Then your little tostada. Lettuce goes on, shredded cheese, and finally some sour cream. Now you're going to pleat the edges over top to form the iconic Crunchwrap shape, going all around doing the folds. A little butter in your non-stick pan. Take your Crunchwrap, you're gonna very gently place it fold side down into there and cook. That is going to seal it and make it a little crunchy. And very gently give that a flip. Oh, look at that sear. It is sealed. Okay, I mean Taco Bell who? Time for the slice and reveal. Dun 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 dun. Look at that beautiful Crunchwrap. Time to give it a try. I mean, come on. Sorry, Taco Bell, but I'm coming for your brand. Oh my God. It's a famous favorite for a reason. It is the perfect balance. You have that outside tortilla that is just hugging all the delicious ingredients. That meat has a little bit of spice. The cheese sauce is nice and gooey. The tostada gives you crunch. You have the fresh crunch from the lettuce, a little bit of tomato, and finally the tang from the sour cream. It's a perfect bite. Taco Bell, watch out.